Hi viewers, today we are going to do a unboxing of the new Vizio V series 5.1 soundbar. It has a lot of features in it. Let me show you what are the features it has. So it has a DTS-X, DTS, Dolby, and almost except for the Dolby Atmos, rest of the sound encoders are available on this one. So if you open it, it's well packed like all the other Vizio soundbars. You have the subwoofer. Let's open it. So you have the left right speakers, and you have the accessory kit, and you have this 36-inch soundbar. And there you go, the new subwoofer. Alright, so there you go, the list of items what we have in the box. It's nicely packed. Yeah, I have the subwoofer, left right speakers, and your soundbar, and the accessories. Everything is there. Let's get started. Okay, so now we have the new 2020 soundbar. This is better design than the previous version, which is 2017 one. It's so minimalistic design. You have those controllers here, power button, changing the input, Bluetooth, and increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. So one side you have the power and USB port, and the other side you have the HDMI and other ports, which is aux and aux VA and digital output here. So it supports all the TTS, AX, Master, as well as Dolby, so which is good for this price. So I got this from Costco for $199. Let's see the side, left and right. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is so tinier than the previous model, which is the 2017 one. I don't know, 2017 one surround speakers were not that much audible, so I'll wait and see how this will sounds in the real life. So this is the first one, and the other one. Let's open the other one. Okay, which way? This way. I opened it the wrong way. Okay, open this way. Okay, so here I go, the other one. So now for the subwoofer. So the subwoofer is smaller than the older version, but Vizio is saying that this is better than the older version. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is pretty small. So here you have the hole, but the actual speaker is on the down. If you look at it, You have the connectors for the rear speakers. Right, then for the accessories. So accessories, Vizio keeps all the accessories tidy, and they throw up all the cables on all of the stuff like this. So here you got the power for the soundbar, for the subwoofer. These are the connectors for the rear speakers, and you got the aux cable also, and you have the HDMI, and you have the older one. All the cables, and you have all the sockets if you want to do a wall mount. This is pretty nice. Previously Vizio just used this one alone, but now they have the wall mount brackets also, which is good. And here is the remote, and you have the optical cable also, and you have some fasteners and manual. So Vizio got you covered everything. You don't need to go for any additional cables or anything. You have everything inside here, so which is good, which is I like from Vizio. So even they threw up the battery, which is a Duracell. That's a good one. All right. So let's talk about the remote. I think the remote is pretty much the same as any Vizio soundbars, but this now resembles similar to a Apple TV remote. So you have the LCD here. You can choose input, volume, setup. Everything is there. All right. Okay. So then let me connect this to my TV and show you how this sounds, whether this sounds really good or bad, or is it okay for the price. Let me connect this and continue the video. Okay, I have set up the soundbar in my TV, and it is so minimalistic design. You can see it's comfortably sitting below the screen, and
like an invisible hand.
the sound is pretty good, or I would say it's decent for the size and the price of the soundbar. If you look at the surround sound speakers, these are very small, but for the smaller size, the sound reproduction is awesome. I like it. You can see the subwoofer, it's pretty low profile, and the sound reproduction is awesome, or the bass or the bass is really good. I like it. I think you can hear the surround sound. That's pretty much good. And the only exclusion, or which is excluded from this 2020 soundbar, is it does not have a Wi-Fi, and it does not have a Smartcast. But the good thing is that you can pair your Alexa or Google Play or the Google Home through the AV aux, which is present in the backside. So that is one plus point. Once you connected, that speaker will able to control this, so you can call Google or Alexa to control your soundbar. So far I like it, but you need to tweak the settings a little bit to have a better voice and bass. So you just play with the remote control and try to fix with the settings which you like more. So far I like it for the price. I would recommend this. Anyone who's in a tight budget with a decent sound quality, I would recommend this. If you still have any questions, please post it in the comment. I will answer it as I use this device for a while, and if I encounter anything, I'll keep you posted on that. Thanks for watching.